Hello.
Hi, thanks for joining us again. We're here to say thank you to Nomadic Veteran for nominating us in the vanlife hashtag 10 questions.
We were offended that you said we were crazy.
Totally.
But it's alright.
Sorry about the blank canvas. We're not actually in the van or on the road right this second. We're actually in London, but here we are.
We're in Savage Yard.
Student accommodation.
It's a Volkswagen Carmen LT distance wide.
Yes, Carmen distance wide, LT31.
2.2222.
Yeah, so 1996 trusty mobile. Yeah, we like our V-dubs, don't we?
Yes. It was quite quick. We just got
It's very quick.
over to Ireland, walked around, and then that was it. It was built.
We always fancied converting a van, but because we decided that we wanted to have a little bit of space and a little bit of luxury, like sort of like toilet and shower and things like that, and we looked at the budget and
it fitted.
It ticked a lot of boxes for us. So it's not a van. It is a van. It's not a van. It's just a box on wheels, but it's our home and it's done us proud. Motorhome life. Definitely the bed.
I quite like it there. We've been loads of nice places.
For me, I think it's the snow in the Alps, in the mountains. I love being out in the snow and that whole
The extremes.
Yeah.
There's so many places. I have brain freeze at the moment, so.
So we found some nice places in the south of France.
Portugal, there were some really nice places in Portugal.
Yeah. Loads of really nice places. Nothing really, nothing like really stands out to me apart from the Alps because they're all so nice.
And we do notice that when we stop places, we're always waterside.
Yeah.
So waterside places.
Yeah, unless we're in the Alps.
Yeah. Well, we picked over Lake Geneva, yeah.
I can think of two.
Bottom of a garden? No. Two.
Yeah. First one, it wasn't the place itself, it was more so the people were there, but it was pretty much the only campsite right in the middle of Paris on an island, and it was just a bit mayhem and sort of, it wasn't fantastic.
That was the champagne place.
No, when we went to Paris.
The campsite.
Yeah, the campsite. It was a campsite, which we don't really tend to spend that much.
It
was a nice campsite. It was just everything that was going on the campsite and the
English letting down.
Yes, very much so. But we won't go into that.
No.
And then the only other time that I didn't really like where we were was catching the ferry down for the ski season in New Haven.
And it was very windy.
Yeah, it was literally only because we had to get up at about 3 o'clock in the morning and move the van to somewhere safer because it felt like the van was going to literally
it was worse than Storm Kira.
Yes.
It's happening right now.
It was. But we've been really lucky and...
We haven't stayed in any really bad places.
No,
Everywhere's been alright.
If we don't get a great vibe when we turn up somewhere, we just move on and find another place, don't we?
Yeah, 27?
Obviously camping in fall.
Fall, yeah.
Yeah, we did a good chunk of the ski season and various other places before us in the van, haven't we?
Yeah.
We had some other visitors, some friends, Hatton Valley come out for a stay during the winter as well, in the ski season.
I reckon 6.
Yeah, passenger wise, sort of 6, and yeah. Van disasters.
We had a fire.
We had an onboard electrical fire. Well, didn't quite get to the point of a fire, but it was like more of a smouldering, wasn't it? Again, coming down from near the Italian border in the Alps.
It was quite exciting.
Turned out to be literally just some insulation on a wire, which needed upgrading. And yeah, so we just quickly whipped out the Visi jackets and the combs and ran around. Probably like over panicked a bit, but hey ho, at least we sort of reacted to it pretty quick.
We didn't catch fire, no disasters.
No disasters, sorted it all out.
The toilet flush keeps breaking.
It's alright. It's just been fixed again.
And Ross did some in-house smoking with the smoker. And started smoking the sideboard.
Yeah, our Nordic smoker was a little bit too big for our hob and the heat sort of moved from the hob to the wood sort of side of the cooker.
Wrong sort of smoking. Yeah.
Little battery died in Italy, well it was dying sort of en route to Italy and it was it was getting hot, which explained why my back was so blowing hot all the way up to the Alps.
That's something that's worth checking, guys.
Yeah, keep an eye on your leisure battery. But then, yeah, we got sorted out again by a fantastic little family-owned business in Italy, at the foot of the Alps. That was really cool. Sensible price, wicked battery, and they helped us fit it. And yeah, it's been great ever since, hasn't it? So, but we've been really lucky.
Cookie.
Favourite feature?
Bed.
Bed's very comfy.
Buddy seat, that's quite handy.
Yeah, buddy seat. I think it's probably, for me, it's probably like the living area where the sofas are at the back, because it's all so light and airy, and the windows, and you can just sit there no matter what the weather, and just sit there and enjoy watching the weather go by, which is really cool. It's good for the mind, body and soul, just chill out and with a nice view, I think.
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, it allows us to do that whether it's wet, dry, whatever. So, yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Getting up in the morning.
His favourite thing about vanlife?
I don't know, really. I don't think there is there?
No.
Fridge is a bit small.
I don't like getting places in the dark. So if we start running late into the afternoon, so it's nice to sort of try and check somewhere out to make sure you feel safe and you're happy with where you are, which is always helpful, more helpful in the daylight before you sort of set up camp for the night. So I always like to try and aim to get somewhere in daylight, so obviously I start getting a little bit miffed, agitated if it starts getting dark and we still haven't got a clue where we're going yet. But it happens and you deal with it, it's not the end of the world, is it? But
I don't think there is anything, is there?
No, I don't think so.
We're pleased with it.
It's a lot easier than our old life living in the house, isn't it?
Well, it's less for me to clean.
Less chores and things to fix.
It's easier to get them out.
Everything's just like
there. Falling off the ladder. That was funny. Yeah, it's all good. Being free.
Yeah, freedom. Yeah, it's the words out of my mouth. Just having
the choice.
Yeah. Once you get past the realisation of not having to do this 9 to 5 routine, which you can easily get sucked up and wrapped up in.
Yeah, and it's been really good in the situation we've been in to have a home to be in, as well as having friends and families offers of their houses and comfort as well. But it's been nice for us to, or for me, to have somewhere to go and chill out. And yeah, it's just handy. Do it.
Do it.
Don't be scared. Well, be scared, because that just helps.
I think just do it. Literally, just do it. Get on with it. Don't
worry too much about.
Don't plan it too much.
Yeah. Don't overthink it too much.
Yeah. Don't overthink it too much. Don't plan it. What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah, and like I say, if it doesn't work, then you go back. If you don't try it, you'll always wish that you had.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
Don't put it off. Get on with it.
Yeah.
That's all I'd say.
Life's too short.
Yeah. Never know what's around the corner. Get on with it. So we have got to nominate 3 other people for the vanlifetag questions. First people we'd like to nominate is
Tortu Cartor. We met them in France on the top of a cliff in the sunshine. I think their story would be interesting for you to listen to. It's slightly different reasons for their journey.
The one that I would like to nominate is Kite Van Man. Follow him on YouTube. I quite like his randomness. I find him quite funny. I find his randomness in terms of planning and what to do next. It's very sort of flippant and doesn't think too much into it from what I see anyway. I like that anyway. I like that. I just find him quite funny as a character, so I'll be interested to hear his views on and his dog's views on van life. That'd be pretty cool. And the last ones we want to nominate are
Florence and the Ambulance. Florence the Ambulance.
Florence and the Ambulance. Florence the Ambulance.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because she's somebody that we've seen, and she recently commented on one of my photos of my radiotherapy big mixer machine, and she was a radiotherapist herself, but she paid an interest, and they had decided to kind of stop their journey, and now they're not going to, they're continuing.
Which is really cool.
Again, I think it's an interesting story for them to answer the questions, to find out what that's all about.
So yeah, look forward to hearing your answers. So good night. Bye.
Surprise!
Messed the bed up.